Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 7A and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Talkback feature on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, tap this icon right here. In settings, let's scroll down, tap on the additional settings. Here select accessibility and then select Talkback. Now to turn the feature on, just tap the slider next to accessibility and allow.
Talkback on. Talkback.
Now you can select the thing like the items.
When Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or have low vision. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. Enlist 3 items.
And as you can hear, basically when you select the item, the voice will start to read what's written in it and what it is. So for example, if I want to go back, I need to select the back button first.
Back button, out of list.
Then double tap it to use it, like this.
Accessibility. Back button. Double tap to activate.
You can scroll with this green frame by just swiping up and down, like that.
Talkback on. Speak items on screen. Double tap to activate.
And to scroll through the menu, up and down, you need to use 2 fingers, like this.
Text to speech output. Double tap to activate.
So let's turn it off. To enter the Talkback, we need to select it first.
Talkback on. Speak items on screen.
Then double tap it.
Talkback. Back button.
Now
Double
let's
tap to activate.
select the
Accessibility. Checkbox. Enlist 3 items.
the switch and then double tap it.
Alert stop Talkback. Tapping stop will stop Talkback.
Tap on stop
Stop button. Double tap to activate.
and double tap it to turn off the Talkback feature. And that's how you turn on the Talkback feature on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.